Hello everyone, my name is Yağız. I'm an electrical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University. Today I'm going to talk about my experiment, which is changing the variables of capacitors. I changed the distance and the areas of plates, and I put the electric materials on between the plates. So I would like to begin with showing the materials that are used on this experiment. I used wires to connect the parallel plates with multimeter. I used a ruler to measure the distance between these plates. I surrounded a cartoon with aluminum foil to obtain my plate. I used multimeter to calculate the capacitance value by nanofarads, as you can see in this picture. I put glass between the plates to observe the effects of the electrical material on capacitance value. The distance for this procedure is 1.5 cm, as it can be seen in this photo. I will show the video of how to do this experiment on the lab. I did this experiment for 5 different distances, as it can be seen on this data. There were some errors because of the environment of this experiment, and I will explain the other reasons in the conclusion part. The graph illustrates that when distance is increasing, capacitance value is decreasing. First graph is my experimental results, and the second one is for the theoretical results. You can see the values for putting the electrical material between capacitors, and you can also see the error percentage. I used 4 plates to observe the effects of different areas, and I compared each other. There were apparent ratio for the same distances. However, error percentage was different because of different conditions on the experiment. So there was some kind of error for this lab experiment. To conclude my experiment, there were some errors, as I showed you on my video. It was because of the lack of proper conditions. The quality of the aluminum foil might be bad, or the multimeter sensitivity can affect this experiment, as environment of this experiment can also affect this experiment. And as a result, there was inverse proportionality between capacitance value and distance, and direct proportionality between capacitance value and the electric materials value and areas of these plates.